Hello everyone, my name is Parth Chadha, and in this video I will explain how my program demonstrates object-oriented principle, especially about abstraction and encapsulation using transaction classes. Um, First, we will discuss what are the roles of classes and abstraction in my program. So here I have designed multiple classes like account, withdraw transaction, deposit transaction, transfer transaction, and then there is the main bank system class. Each class has a specific role. For example, the account class manages balance and basic operation like deposit and withdraw. The withdraw transaction here handles only withdraw logic, whereas deposit transaction is handling the deposit logic, and transfer transaction class combines both withdraw and deposit to perform a transfer. This shows that each class represents a different role or responsibility in the system. Uh, Here it is related to the abstraction part. Abstraction means showing the essential features and hiding unnecessary details. For example, when we use transaction like TT execute in my code, uh, when it is executed, we don't need to know how withdraw happens internally or how deposit is handled in step-by-step manner. We only care how transfer is executed. So here abstraction is helping us to simplify the complex systems and focusing only on an object, what it's doing. Now how it's happening. Let's talk about encapsulation in my transfer transaction. Here, in my code, it contains private accounts for from and to private amount it internally creates the private withdraw transaction and deposit transaction. These internal objects are hidden from the outside world, we can say. From an internal perspective, when we execute tt.execute in my code, we do not know how or care that first withdraw happens, then deposit is happening, or rollback logic is applied or not. Uh, Here's the encapsulation works in. The data and the logic are bundled together. Its internal work is hidden completely. Access is only complete controlled through the public methods. Uh, let's now discuss what are the uh, positive aspects of this design. It provides us with modularity. Each class has its clear responsibility. It ensures reusability in the code. Transaction classes can be reused multiple times. Maintainability is easy here. It is easy to debug. It is easy to debate if we want to add, let's say, a credit card option in here. For safety, it's the rollback functions are there to ensure the system consistency. For example, let's say in transfer class, if the deposit fails, the withdraw is rolled back automatically. To conclude it, I would say that classes are defined here in different roles in the system to support abstractions. Internal details are hidden to support the encapsulation. Users only interact with the simple method like execute to execute the functions. So overall, my program clearly demonstrates the OOPS principle of structured and principal ways of abstraction and encapsulation. Thank you for watching.